So guys, this is a new shop in our city, Campo Galliano. Can you see? Can you see this one? So this is mine. I will show you guys later. It's all maca. It's all maca. So guys, we're here to order piadino. I don't want to cook today. Okay. Piano, grazie. So that's it. Baby Alex have already eaten in school. But he wants polo. Only polo. See baby Alex with our piadino. Yeah, he was chunky to a polo, see.
Ma poi non vede mio una Coca-Cola.
No, Coca-Cola, we have Coca-Cola. So guys, we are going to the house now. A mangiare piadine polo. See. Only polo, yes. We know that you are not eating piadino. So guys, that is it too. View our street, yes. We are in the house now. So this 4 here is for baby Alex. Take your own. And this one is mine. Until you are taking this one.
So that's side. That's 4. Side.
Sì, l'ha messo un po' di sale, okay? I'm just showing the inside. You don't even know how to wrap a shawarma can get Nigerian up here. Kebab, you don't know how to wrap it. You know wrap it very well. I can let you know. Now what are you doing? I have to cut it too. You know wrap it very well. You know, some people don't even know how to package food. You know? Even I need to make this in the house. I wrote and down. Now it now is 6 euro. And the youngest one is 3 euro. What did you see in the video? Water. And video. Oh my God, now. Good afternoon, guys. Happy Sunday. So guys, we are just coming back from church. I want to cook.
Alright.
Over here I have my
Minty.
meat, yes, and my rice. I want to cook jollof rice.
Achoo.
No, not stew, jollof rice.
Achoo.
Say hello.
Hello.
Saluta.
Ciao.
So here I have my vegetables. Okay. I have to garnish it with some vegetables. Baby, they're talking too much these days. Happy Sunday.
Volevo mangiare le colotte.
Carote. I'm going to eat jollof rice. Mommy wants to cook jollof rice.
Io piace la colotte.
So they prefer white rice with stew.
Io voglio latte forte.
So guys, I will not carry you along, but when I'm done, I will show you guys the outcome of the rice, jollof rice, Nigerian jollof, Nigerian jollof, party jollof rice with some veggies. So like this. I want to spread clothes outside, whether it's hot. Yesterday, I washed yesterday, but I did not spray outside because of yesterday was throughout rain. Throughout, I told you when you start making video, when I'm talking, you don't have to distract mommy. Okay? Wait, let me finish. Okay? So, let me just stretch it outside. Then I'll come and wash my rice. Okay, what are you saying? What are you saying, my baby boy, my last one? My food is hot too. It's so hot. Yes. I have a lot to wash. This is the first one. I'm going to wash first, second, third. You know, my girls just came back from cafe. You know, all the whole place they use for 1 week. Towel, bed sheets, you know. No. We'll hang this one here. Okay. Wrap your cheese. Fish is one leg. Is that to look like a leg? Okay. No, okay, this I food. Aspetta. Okay. Put pants here. So guys, our jollof rice is getting ready. So I'll allow it to steam and Unless you remove all the vegetable that is on it. Just watch and see. Cut? No.